This is an example of accessing web-based Lidar directly inside a CAD application without using a browser or jumping through the usual hoops. We have simply opened a drawing containing our area of interest and have not downloaded any Lidar files beforehand. First, we will confirm our drawing is on a known coordinate system. In this case we are using KY83F. Next we will initiate the .soft mass points processor found in both MapWorks and C3D Tools packages. This tool can work from local files, but in this case we will use its ability to determine the files and download them for us. First set the web source, in this case USA, Kentucky, which uses files provided by the Kentucky Geography Network in LIS format. We can optionally display the details about the point cloud data in a web browser. We can optionally change the folder where the Lidar files are downloaded to. These files are cached for additional speed in subsequent sessions. Last we click to begin the downloading. In this case our small sample project fits inside a single tile. A confirmation dialog prevents downloading undesired tiles in the rare event you had stray geometry in your drawing causing bad extent. The downloaded tile now appears in the source files to process. In this example we also want to limit the surface boundary to a polyline in our drawing. There are other data filtering options such as only using Lidar classification to foreground. Clicking Start begins the point filtering and surface building operation. Once output is complete, we close the dialog to inspect the surface created. Here we have a completed tin surface ready for additional design work and went straight from a drawing outline to the surface without any wasted time. Find out how to get more done in less time with tools like this one. Visit .soft.com today.